Hey, Akshat Gupta here. And do you know that apps are the most useful source for getting unlimited traffic, sales, and clients? Imagine having your very own mobile app agency selling both iOS and Android apps to customers. But nowadays, mobile app development has become a very costly experience. You spend lots of time on hiring separate developer for iOS and Android, spending thousands of dollars for iOS and Android app, waiting for the app to be built, waiting for app approval, waiting for traffic to come. But today we're changing all of that from the ground up by offering a cost-effective and lightning-fast solution to create your very own mobile apps on both iOS and Android platforms with just a few clicks. No coding and zero headache. Sounds unbelievable? Introducing Sonik, the world's fastest and one-click mobile app builder. With Sonik, you can easily build both iOS and Android apps, send push notifications, install without visiting App Store and Play Store, get up and running in under 5 minutes, make it work without internet, and tons of more features like automatic updates, one-click install links, unlimited notifications, QR code, and more. You'll get all of it in just a low one-time price. And you are not alone. Top 150 plus agencies and more than 20,000 customers are successfully using it and loving it. Till now, Sonik has developed 40792 apps. It's huge. With Sonik, you'll never face issues like waiting for clients, waiting for traffic and sales, waiting for apps delivery, hiring separate developer for both iOS and Android apps, spending thousands of dollars for just one app, waiting for app approval on App Store and Play Store. Your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it for 30 days. If you don't like what you see, get your money back. Also, it comes with a commercial license, which is still an incredibly great deal, but it will be recurring soon. So hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast. Click the link below and create your first iOS and Android apps for you or your customers. See you inside. Hey, Akshat Gupta.